Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss some specific reactions by which aldehydes can be obtained. So as you can see here, the first reaction that we are going to talk about is Rosenman reduction, and in this reduction we are reacting acid chloride with hydrogen in the presence of palladium BaSO4 to get the corresponding aldehyde. So as you can see, the reaction here is benzoyl chloride. When it reacts with hydrogen in the presence of PdBaSO4, you can see the reduction takes place and it gives a corresponding aldehyde, which is benzaldehyde. Now this is what happens in Rosenman reduction, where your starting material is an acid chloride and your reagents are nothing but hydrogen and palladium BaSO4 complex. In the second reaction that we are going to talk about, we are reducing nitriles to imines and followed by hydrolysis to get the corresponding aldehyde. Now this reaction is called stiffened reaction, and in this reaction what we are doing is we are reacting or we are reducing the nitrile using SnCl2 and HCl. So this becomes your reducing agent and SnCl2 in acidic medium, and this reduces the nitrile to imine as you can see here, and which on hydrolysis will give you the corresponding aldehyde. Nitriles can also be converted to aldehyde using another reagent, which is diisobutyl aluminum hydride or called dibalH. Now this is a very common reducing agent and it reduces nitriles to imines. So you can again obtain aldehydes from nitriles by reducing it to imines using dibalH followed by hydrolysis. Let's look at an example here. Here we have CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2CN. That is, this compound has an alkene as well as a nitrile group, and when this is reacted with dibalH, it does not affect the alkene but simply reduces the nitrile to imine as you can see here. Now on hydrolysis you can simply see that an aldehyde is obtained where a double bond has been not affected at all. That is, this reagent is highly specific. Now just as nitriles has been reduced to aldehydes, even esters can be reduced to aldehydes using the same reducing agent, which is dibalH. As you can see here, we have an ester, and when this ester is treated with diisobutyl aluminum hydride followed by reaction with water, you get the corresponding aldehyde as shown here. Now to summarize, we can see that aldehydes can be prepared from acid chloride using hydrogen palladium BaSO4. This is called Rosenman reduction. It can also be prepared from nitriles using stiffened reaction, where the reducing agent is SnCl2 in the presence of acidic medium, that is HCl. Now nitriles and esters can be reduced to corresponding aldehydes using dibalH as the reducing agent. I hope you are very clear on all the four reactions that we have discussed here. Thank you.